Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this peachy makeup look. Since Rakhi is around the corner, I wanted to create a makeup look that is very doable, practical, light and elegant, and something that you guys can wear. So I've kept the eyes very neutral and light, and I've used just 2 eyeshadows to get this look. So if you're interested to learn how I created this natural looking light makeup, please keep watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. I've already moisturized my face and applied a lip balm. Next, I'm applying the Loreal Base Magic Smoothing Primer. I'll be applying this only on my nose cause it gets a little oily. I'll be priming the rest of my face with the Kryolan Ultra Underbase. For foundation, I'll be using the MAC Matchmaster. I'll be mixing up 2 shades NC20 and NC35 to match my skin tone. For concealer, I'll be using the Colorbar Flawless Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 004. Just applying a little bit to cover up my dark circles. And then using my damp beauty blender, blending it all out. Applying the concealer on my eyelids as well at the same time. Setting my face with the Coloressence compact powder. Now that our base is done, let's move on to the eye makeup. For eyes today, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from Shanny. This is a very interesting palette. It's got a lot of warm tones as well as some of the bright colors. For today, I'll be using this peach color for my transition shade. So I'm applying the transition shade on my crease and a little above my crease. This kind of gives you a guideline as to where your darker color should exactly be placed on your crease. Next, I'm taking this darker shade which is right below my transition shade and applying it on my crease. This is gonna be like a wash of color. I'm gonna place most of the products only on my crease, and with whatever product is left, I'm gonna bring it on my lids as well. And then taking a clean brush and blending out any harsh edges. And then I'm picking up this dark brown shade and applying it really close to my lash line. This is just to give a bit of a definition and depth. I'm only going to apply it on the outer corners of my eye and nothing towards the inner corner. Then taking my blending brush and smoothing out any harsh edges. I'm picking up the orange shade on my pencil brush and applying it all over my lower lash line. and make sure you connect the bottom to the top. If not, it's going to look a little patchy and kind of incomplete. For this look today, I won't be applying any eyeliner, kajal nor false lashes because I want this look to be really light and natural. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply a mascara. I'm using the Loreal False Lash Superstar for mascara. So this mascara has also got a primer wand. So I'll be priming my eyelashes using this primer. Don't forget to apply your mascara even on your lower lashes, because when you apply your eyeshadow, it tends to sit on the lashes and it doesn't look flattering for anyone if any kind of shadow is sitting on your lashes. Now that we are done with the eye makeup, let's get back to the face. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Bronzer Highlighter Kit. Just gonna lightly apply it on my cheekbones, my forehead, just to bring a little warmth to my face. It's looking a little pale right now. For blush, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Blush Palette, and I'm picking up the peach shade, applying it on the apples of my cheeks and blending it into the bronzer. For highlight, I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle. For the brows, I'm taking this dark brown shade and filling in the sparse areas. For lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Buffy Summers. And then applying the L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Bare Attraction. Alright guys, so this is it for the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all. Take care, stay safe, and see you guys in my next vlog.